Oh, hello everybody. Jimmy here. You know, I've been driving 42 years, and I got one ticket in South Carolina when the family and I were coming back from Disney World. I pride myself on being a very good driver. Even when I went to ride motorcycles, I took the safety class. I make sure my vehicle is in top condition, the tires are good, the tires are inflated, all the indicators work and everything. I try to do whatever I can, for a safe ride every day. My windshield wipers will always work. But I don't know. I've been going through the tunnel. I was on Route 287 the other day, and people keep blowing the horn at me. Hour after hour, I'm on the highway, and people, are blowing their horn. I was in the supermarket at Fairway Supermarket, and a guy comes over to the car and he says, if I was in my car, I'd be blaring the horn at you. I can't understand it. I can't make sense out of it at all. I don't know what's going on. I really thought I was a very good driver. But then what happens, I finally remembered my bumper sticker. Honk for impeachment. When are the people of this country going to stand up, and put the president on notice that we are not happy? You poor people, not poor, but the people that have small children, with all the people that the president is letting in through Mexico with diseases. One day, one of your kids, and I hope that doesn't happen, they're going to have red lines on them from parasites, from scabies, crawling all over their bodies, underneath their skin. Tuberculosis that is unheard of in this country, except for maybe people that live in the street. Here he's leaving our southern border. Blame the Republicans, he's the president. He has the power of stopping these things real quick. Russia, they shoot down a plane, whether it's Ukraine or Russia, they use the Russian missile. Okay, and not a word out of them. This is really sad. And Israel fighting, Israel's about the size of our thumb. Look how strong they are, and they stand up to the nations that are around them, that they're fighting with. I'll tell you, the three big TV stations, ABC, NBC, and CBS, the FCC should pull their licenses, because they don't tell you everything that's going on. They seem to be protecting the president of the United States and never give you bad news. I'll give you the bad news, okay? If we have a weak economy, the rest of the world sees us as being weak, because we have no money. We owe more than $17 trillion. Your grandchildren will be paying out that debt. It's $33,000 for every person in America these days. Okay, what happens if you had a credit card with $33,000? You'd probably be declaring bankruptcy. And yet we keep bringing up the debt every day. This is really sad. Honestly, I think the President of the United States, President Obama, we should just offer him a big sum of money to go away. Okay, step down as president, because even if you started impeachment hearings, okay, they would take too long, he would still be in office. Offer him $500 million. He pisses that away on golf games. Every time he takes Air Force One up between the vacations, in Martha's Vineyard, and playing golf and everything else, and how much it costs to fly Air Force One around, he's spending that much money anyway. Or from $500 million to step down as president, and let's go forward. Okay, I just hope you all remember this in the 2016 election. And I'm so happy I finally realized this is why everybody is honking at me. It's not my driving skills, it's honk for impeachment. I'll talk to you all soon, and here's a preview of all the other bumper stickers that I rotate on my car. They're magnetic, so they pull off. So in bad areas, I'll take them off my car so no one will key it. I'll talk to you all soon. Be safe. Bye now.